What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you or will discuss with you how to buy Robux with GCash on mobile. So you might be looking for a way to buy Robux here using GCash on your mobile device. Well, there are a few things here that we need to understand. So the thing with Roblox here is they only accept a certain payment methods when you're buying Robux on your account. So just for the idea, I'm in my account right now. Let's go and click on the Robux icon at top right here. It should basically show us our balance. And let's go and just choose one here. So let's go and choose the cheapest one that we could get. So for example, for 100 Robux here, there's just an example. Let's go open it up. And typically in here, it's going to open up the payment section. Now the thing with if you're using Roblox and your mobile device, the payment method that you could use here is directly from your Google Play Store account. Now if you're in the Philippines, you can actually use or add your GCash account here. Now immediately, if you don't see GCash here selected for you, you can just click on the More button here. And from here, you're just going to say currency fluctuations. Let's go and click on our GCash account exactly as you see there. And you can just click on add GCash here and just fill out the necessary information here in order for you to basically start using your GCash account. But in this case, once you've logged in into your account, and also provide the login details, you should now be able to basically I use GCash as a payment method here. So like what I said, it will look like similar to this one, like this one, GCash. You could just click on one tap buy here, and that should buy or allow you to buy your GCash account or your buy Robux using your GCash account. Now, by the way, if you're not sure how to do that via that way, you can just open up Google Play Store here. You want to go and just go to the main screen here, go to games. At the top right, click on your profile icon, and you want to go to payments and subscription, and just click on the option here that says payment methods and just add your GCash account. So again, you want to go and just click on the add GCash option here, and we're going to click on continue. Obviously, this is a protected screen, that's why you're not seeing it in my screen. But you can go and click on continue here, fill out the details here, your mobile number, and also like the verification code in order for you to connect your accounts. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.